Did you know? After the Chinese, Indians are most likely to use health apps and are also the most willing to pay when it comes to using your phone or smartwatch to track health and wellness. Well, it's true. According to a Statista survey, Indians are in the second position of consuming health tech services with 63% app usage. Not only this, lately consumption and demand for overall health tech services are on the rise in India. And the COVID-19 pandemic has a big hand in this thrust. The healthcare system, which was never been in the spotlight in India's history, gained momentum in 2020. The health crisis brought a sharp focus on the sector and highlighted the already existing major gaps in accessibility and affordability. This gave rise to realization of the role of technology in the healthcare delivery and created positive momentum for health tech startups to develop innovative products, which has resulted in the uptake of numerous healthcare platforms providing multi-services. In a matter of time, health services such as diagnostics, consultations, pharmacy, medical supplies, etc., which were consumed by the patient inside and outside of the hospital, meeting directly, are all now tech-enabled and can be consumed anywhere, anytime via internet. In 2020 only, e-pharmacy saw a 200% increase in the number of orders, while e-pharmacy adoption in households also grew by more than double post-COVID. At the time when people were restricted to homes, teleconsultation increased by 300%. This makes the Indian health tech industry one of the fastest growing sectors within the broader health tech industry, which is bound to grow at 39% for the next few years. Currently, this market stands at $1.9 billion, which is barely 1% of the total healthcare market. It includes e-pharmacy, B2B health tech, which are the two largest segments and account for around 70% of the overall health tech market, while e-diagnostic and teleconsultation are the fastest growing sub-segments, growing at 66% and 73% respectively. B2B medical supplies and other health tech services also contribute to the market shares. The healthcare diaspora expanding broadly with technology, investors are also keen on investing in the Indian startups. With the surge in funding, the sector has received over $3 billion between 2014 and 2019. Today, health tech services are playing a key role in connecting the caregiver, patient, and various other associated services. It made primary care convenient and accessible for the public even residing in Tier 3 or 4 cities. Meanwhile, the impact of government initiatives such as Ayushman Bharat, e-Access, National Digital Health Mission, and defined guidelines for telemedicine and the use of AI/ML by health tech companies are also leading to public to change their attitude towards digital healthcare. However, even if the health tech players are gaining significance in the market, they continue to face some barriers in the form of technical, investment, regulatory, and adoption challenges. Meanwhile, with 5G internet expected to be launched soon, a whole lot of new avenues like telesurgery, haptic remote examination, etc. will open up, which excites the industry. Overall, health tech has been an integral part of the Indian healthcare ecosystem and now is quintessential in addressing the three main challenges: accessibility, affordability, and quality. Going forward, health tech is expected to drive the change towards value-based healthcare and reduce the cost of care. However, realizing the true potential of health tech in India would also require regulatory support in terms of clear and supporting guidelines.